Yo, what's good? It's your boy ChampReacts, and I'm back with another banger for y'all boys, man. We got idiot pickup truck drivers, man. We about to see how these boys driving they 4 F-150s, they 250s, they 350s, man. They Tacomas, man. Them Nissan Titans, man. Let's get right to the video. Oh my God. Is that a hole in the ground, boy? What'd he do? Is that a ditch? Oh. What? Bro, how? Bro, how does this happen? How does this happen, bro? Yo, I'm talking about the whole 2 front wheels is gone. The 2 back wheels is gone. There's no driving that car ever. That is scrap yard. It's not a boat. It's not a boat. It's not a boat. That is a truck. That is not a boat. What are you doing? See you later. See you later. Oh my goodness. It's about to be in the Pacific Ocean. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I seen the video. It was a valid edit, I'm not gonna lie. Nice vibe, you know what I'm saying? Song you can vibe out to.
Look at that fool.
Doze off like a Jeep.
Hey! Puto!
Hey, that man chilling though, bro. Why you gotta bother that man?
Oh my God.
Just back it up. Just back it. What the word? Weems for I'm Dante for sure. I got you right after this video for sure. Oh man. Go ahead and call that insurance for me, guy. No, that's not me. That's not me.
There you are, fucking crazy, dude. The cops are coming.
Oh, this is a store. I thought this was a garage, bro. Like a mechanic's garage or something, bro. This is like a 7-Eleven. It's like a little corner store, bro.
There you are, fucking.
And then he just chilling, bro. He just chilling, bro.
There you are, fucking crazy, dude. The cops are coming.
I don't give a fuck. I'll run them over, bro. I don't give a fuck. I'll run them over, bro. Appreciate you, my guy.
Give me my money, bro.
You're crazy, man.
He said, give me my money. Yo, he wasn't playing, bro. Oh! My dude.
Crazy, man.
Is he recording it, bro? Or is he sending a text, bro? You can't be Snapchatting while, bro. Yeah, bro. You're done. Bro, I would've just hit the gas, bro. I would've just floored it right there. Wait, how does he get the... How he get the truck in the water?
They got a trash can stuck underneath that motherfucker too.
Bro, that was smart, bro. Attach it to the tire, bro. Instead of the hook. Instead of the tow hook right on the back. You know what I'm saying, bro? That was smart, bro. Attach it to the tire instead of the hook, instead of the tow hook, bro. Smart.
What the fuck?
Yeah, go ahead, take that. Go ahead, take that car to pick and pull, my boy. Whoa, how do you do this, bro? How? He's like, it's all right, guys. I meant to do it.
Man says, make sure OSHA isn't watching.
It's a different way of doing construction. Oh, this is not GTA, my boy. This is not GTA.
Trying to
my
get
boy.
in position. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh man. Oh man.
God. And there it is.
Oh, he good, bro. He cleared that. He cleared that. Oh, you're done. You're done. You're done.
Who else is in there? Yo, who else is in there?
You're done.
That is some kind of, let's see if I can, that's some kind of redneck shit right there.
Yo, that's a whole.
That don't even rate redneck shit there. That's way beyond redneck.
Bro, I ain't never seen this in my life, bro.
Rednecks aren't that goddamn smart. Goddamn boy, how we gonna get that summit down the road like that?
How we gonna get that son bit down the road? Needs WD-4 that goddamn. Golly, bro. I hope he made it up. Oh. Well. Oh. Well. I guess you're not getting your sandwiches, my guy. Yeah, he blew it. He blew it. He probably didn't even care. I'm not gonna lie. He probably just left it there. I mean, who would pick it up, bro? Who would pick it up, bro? Your truck just demolished they little parking, they little stand, bro. I wouldn't care, bro. I would have just left it. What is this man trying to do? You know, it's a road right behind you that you can just parking lot. You know what I'm saying? You can get on the road.
Kyle. Right, there's a right.
Bro, he probably just got that truck too. I ain't gonna lie. And he blew it this bad. Now, Paul, you ain't had the truck for 5 minutes, Paul. What the fuck are you doing?
You'll clear the rock now. Go there. Yeah, and then go to that angle. And then once you've gone about 5 foot, then straighten up.
Oh, he look like good though. Oh, he gassing it too much, man. You gotta ease on it. You gotta ease on it, man. Oh man, yeah, you blew it. Call the tow truck. Oh, don't tell me it's an accident, bro. Oh, bro, his tire is all his tires flat.
Destroyed. There's no way they're gonna be able to make it up this hill.
Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, I remember I did this one time, bro.
Now they're
I put the spares on. I put the spare tire on, the tire that popped, and I was driving like 40, bro. I wasn't even going that fast, bro. Spare popped on me. Back, it was like my left rear tire exploded, bro. The spare tire just exploded, bro. I'm just sliding down the road, bro. Like the rims is grinding on the road, bro, and I'm just sliding, trying to steer it, bro. That should have took my license away. Well, man, there y'all have it, man. If you driving pickup trucks, man, do not be like these folks, man. If y'all like that video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications, share with a friend. But you already know it's your boy Champ Reacts, and we out. For sure.